Hello, my name is Paloma. I'm an engineer and I'm digital expert. First of all, I would like to say thank you. I'm very happy to stay here to share with you my experience. It's a pleasure because I have a great opportunity today because the technology nowadays is the core of the business. And I think it's a great opportunity for you, for the student, and a great opportunity to decide what you want to do. Um, So, um, my presentation is not a normal presentation. Of course, we are going to talk about technology, but we are going to talk about rugby, football, beauty, and I say enjoy. Enjoy this presentation. I know that I'm different, my presentation is different, so enjoy and try to understand and learn about the different key points of this. So, welcome to the digital world. I would like to start with this video. So the All Blacks, I love them. I think that they are the best around the world. All Blacks, they are the New Zealand national rugby team, and okay, they are the best around the world, but they also speak about three main pillars. Uh, they talk about three main pillars: adaptation, problem solving, and teamwork. We talked before about this. For me, there are three soft skills that you will need in your career path, in your future. And for me, they are really important. The world is changing, and we have the responsibility to create a better world, to know about technology and implement in this world. We are part of this transformation. We are part of this digital transformation. So if you know what you want to do and why, and you can answer that, I'm sure that your career path will be successful. And I always say, let's go. So now you have a context. So I'm going to explain more about me. Uh, I help organizations, all kind of companies like beauty, energy, oil and gas, to integrate, to introduce that technology because they have to be competitive. So I'm very happy and I'm proud to be like this, to be different. You will understand that later when I will explain about my career path. But um, I think it's the best decision that I've ever taken to be like this. So do the same. Enjoy your career path, enjoy your decision. I'm mining engineer. I studied in Madrid. I learned about energy, about mining, but also I learned about a lot of things. And that's the key, that's the main point here. A lot of things more. And with this basic knowledge, I can do whatever I want. And as I told you before, you can do whatever you want. Look at this video.
Decarbonisation, digitisation and diversification are disrupting mining models and creating new opportunities. By 2040, AI and cognitive intelligence guide targeted, cost-effective exploration, automated trucks, processing and equipment. As well as improving safety, automation and electrification enable deeper access to underground. Spares are 3D printed as needed, eliminating the need for warehouses. Microgrids power mines with renewable electricity, reducing costs and carbon emissions. The mines of the future are waterless, which aids license to operate and sustainability. Smaller electrified vehicles used over a broader area. A central maintenance workshop is a thing of the past. Resources are transported off-site on automated trains, running at speed with minimal impact to rolling stock and tracks. Algorithms determine prices and volatility in trade has disappeared.
So in this video, you can see all kind of technologies. I don't mind if we talk about mining, beauty, whatever. Here you can see that they talk about renewable electric vehicles, artificial intelligence, data. So remember that you can do whatever you want with all kind of technology. And I'm going to explain more, as I told you before, about my career path. My first job, it was a challenge. I was innovation consultant in a French consultancy company in Altra, and I worked with different companies, with Maxam, explosive, Repsol, oil and gas, Engie, energy, Mao, beverages, and Inditex, fashion. And here I learned a lot because I had to read about a lot of things. I have to discover insights. I have to understand different clients. And but the final idea for me it was come up with new ideas. And one day I decided to change. I thought, okay, you have to change. Where? And in L'Oreal. I started in L'Oreal, beauty industry. I'm saying that I'm an engineer, but I work in L'Oreal. It's a challenge, but I learn a lot. Look at this video. That's well, maybe it's better that I will explain. This is a smart mirror using artificial intelligence. This is a mock-up. This is not real, not yet. Maybe in a few years it could be possible. Your mirror, the idea is that your mirror can be your beauty advisor. You can know about new products, about new prices. Also, if you are walking in the street, you can see the new product that you can use, maybe for an appointment, for a date, whatever you want. So think about that. The video talk about artificial intelligence, about data, but it's the same. I talk about industry, energy industry or mining industry, but I'm talking here with the same technology. in the video area. So you can work in another company. Maybe it's not your mindset, it's not your idea, but could be, it's possible. And finally, some years ago, I started to work in an energy company, like engineer. But when I was working, I thought, wow, I have the knowledge, I have the power. So why not? I can be freelance. I can work with different companies. I can understand different insights, and I can apply that knowledge in different areas. Maybe we are talking about e-health, maybe we are talking about fashion, beauty, or energy. And this video for me is the best example because you can see this idea, the whole idea in this video. You use one device or one technology applied in different industries. So now you know more about me, but also we are going to talk, of course, about technology. So we are going to talk about tech trends. The first one, I would like to talk about IoT, Internet of Things, data and connectivity. Um, okay, sorry. Uh, Data for me is the hub, is the core of the business. Internet of Things, IoT, talk about connected devices. So every single day, these devices create data, tons of data. So the idea here is you are going to work with this data, but you should have a good strategy because with tons of data, it's impossible to have a solution. So think about that in the future. I would like to show you this video. So you say, wow, yes, I love it. I want this car. It's amazing, right? In the real life. But also in mining industry, we can say the same. Oh,
Autonomy is revolutionizing the mining industry. You can expect the future to bring more. The next generation of autonomous mining is soon here, with equipment that finds its own way around, seeing everything better than you or I would see it, sensing what's there and what shouldn't be there. Machines that plan the best routes in a fraction of a second, making the right decisions. whatever the conditions, and leaving no emissions. You'll work the same mine, but in so many different, smarter ways. The next generation of autonomous mining. Faster, easier, and a lot more productive.
So for me, it's the same idea. I always say I love this video also. And both of them talk about connectivity, data, and smart. Now the second one, artificial intelligence. You have here a definition that I say that artificial intelligence is the art of learning. If we said before that data is the hub, artificial intelligence is our translator. I mean, you have the data, you translate, and you will have the information. That's the key, the useful information. So maybe you don't understand very well this, so don't worry, you are going to understand very quickly and very clearly with this example. I love this example. We are going to talk about football. Emerging artificial intelligence is emerging in sport. We can use we can cover with artificial intelligence in during the match, during the game, after, and even the fan experience. And now look at the second video.
Innovation is about staying at the forefront of change. That's why BHP established its first innovation centre in Western Australia and a live testing ground in Newman. It's a model that's transforming the way the company works. The centre is pulling the future forward by identifying new technologies that can...
So the idea is the same. Here they use charts with information and information with data and information in real time. We can use that, for example, if we want to know more about mineral extraction or maintenance. We can reduce risk, we can reduce cost, and we can increase efficiency. So we can apply artificial intelligence in mines, for example, as well as football. And the last one, my favorite, uh, the last one, but I enjoy a lot with this. Don't worry, we are going to understand very well these two concepts. I'm not being here very technical because for me it's important that you understand the main idea, the general idea. I'm going to explain that step by step. So maybe you know metaverse nowadays, Facebook Meta, yes. Digital twin maybe not, right? But metaverse, with this video, I think we can have an idea. After I will explain the concept.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. You wanna get up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know what I'm at. Caught a thief in your arms, you can't even pay me enough to react. And I've never been embraced, and the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad with their head, they know that damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby.
So I think with this video you can have a general idea. And in this video talk about digital experience, customer experience, e-commerce, prototypes, information, time to market, and a lot of things more. But after we will connect with digital twin. So metaverse check. And now digital twin. I'm going to explain that step by step. And I will use the concept Google Maps. It's the best example that I've ever heard in my life from McKinsey. They say Google Maps is a digital twin of the Earth's surface. It then links real-time data on traffic to optimize your driving routes. That's a very simplistic version of a digital twin. Very simplistic, but very visual. More or less, we can understand a little bit the concept. Second step. Here, digital twin. Digital twin connects a virtual plant with a real plant. And do you remember the last concept when we talk about metaverse? We talk about prototypes, about time to market, about digital experience. Now, digital twin talk about the same. We can work with the same digital twin around the world with different teams, and also we can design new prototypes and we can decide if go or not go. So more or less, I could say that it's a little bit similar, but with the third example, our three, yes, our third step, sorry, for me is a magical number here in this presentation. So I think that you know more about me. You know a little bit more about technology. For me, these three technologies are the for me the most important. And now you have the power. You can choose what you want to do, as I told you before. Uh, the digitalization is not about connection, it's about transforming. And we are living a magical moment because it's the first time that we have different technologies at the same level of development and we can integrate between each other. And before, you cannot, if you want to find something similar, it's impossible. It's the first time. So enjoy and think that you want to do and you can do whatever you want. So think about that and now you can choose. So thank you very much. If you need to ask me something or you need to write me to make a question, here you have my details. Via LinkedIn, it's faster. So thank you very much and